Gas prices are skyrocketing across the United States with a national average of $3.94 a gallon and are expected to surpass $4 in the near future. Experts say this is due to a number of factors, including instability in the Middle East, improper oil extracting and refining infrastructure, increased consumption, and the rising demand of emerging world economic powers. But dialogue is increasingly taking place on the role of speculation and how investors are betting oil prices will rise, which is artificially increasing the price of gas.
In the absence of heavy speculation, we have much lower oil prices. Since 1995, the activity in that market has increased by over 300%, while in the same period, world oil consumption only went up 28%. So clearly, they are major contributors to the price.
Politicians in Washington say gas is the #1 concern for their constituents.
The money that people spend on gas takes away from other things that they could spend on, clothing, education for their kids. So because the price of gas eats into their budget, I think it's a fairly important issue.
I've been driving for about 5 years, so it's a little weird to see it at $5 when I used to drive at $2 something per gallon.
With top oil companies making record profits, $34 billion in the first 3 months of 2011 alone, which is a 42% increase from 2010, many Americans feel they're being cheated.
Everybody's ripping you off. The gas is way too high for people, and these people that's gouging gas prices, they ought to be put in jail.
Congress is trying to take action to lower the cost of gasoline, from voting on expanding offshore oil drilling later this week to calls from congressmen to tap into the Strategic Petroleum Reserve.
According to energy economist Jim Williams, if gas prices increase or even remain at the current cost, it will be unsustainable and lead the U.S. into another recession. Marjan Asi, Press TV, Washington.